Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have a licensed Dynamics 365 user and an assigned security role. This lets you see entities and forms. Once signed in, open the specific environment you will work in production versus Sandbox Matters for testing changes. Make sure you use a supported browser and clear cache if forms behave oddly, then complete multi-factor authentication. After that, navigate to the app module you need so you can start creating records and customizing views immediately. Once your environment is ready, create or import records. Use the Excel template for quick imports or the data import wizard for bulk updates. This preserves relationships. Next, customize views and filters so you only see relevant columns and pin those views for quick access. Then open Form Editor to add, remove, or reorder fields and set required fields and business rules to enforce process. These changes improve data quality and speed daily tasks, so make small tweaks and test with sample records. To finish, automate repetitive steps with Power Automate Flows or Classic Workflows. Choose triggers like record create or status change to save time. Once automation is in place, run test scenarios across user roles and validate data integrity and permissions to ensure nothing breaks. Then deploy changes to users during a low-traffic window and monitor system jobs and audit logs. If something goes wrong, revert the recent customization or disable the flow first. That quickly isolates the issue while you correct the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.